this is the day when you have the least focus or energy of the moon month. So don't push anything. This is the darkest time of the moon month. We are more confused. There is not much clarity. Conflicts may arise from nowhere. No need to prove your point today by disagreeing. If debate is needed, then be very specific, firm, and talk in short sentences. Stay grounded, sleep, rest, and if you need to work, then finish the tasks of the month. If you exercise, take it slow. Patience.